Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about the recall on a certain type of breast implant. And as you guys know, Jamaica is very much into cosmetic surgery these days. Designer bod, anybody? Luxury doll, anybody? Anyways, let's get into this video. It says the pharmaceutical company Allergan has recalled all BioCell textured breast implants at the request of the U.S. Food Drug Administration because they have linked to a rare type of lymphoma. Breast implant associated anaplastic large cell lymphoma, ALCL. The products include in the recall naturally saline filled breast implants, naturally silicone filled breast implants, naturally Inspira silicone filled breast implants, naturally 410 highly cohesive atomically shaped silicone filled breast implants. The recall also includes tissue expanders. These are balloon-like sacs that are slowly expanding with salt water to stretch the skin so that the permanent implant can be inserted later. They include naturally 133 plus tissue expanders, naturally 133 tissue expander with structure tabs. The recall does not mean all women with these implants should have them removed. The FDA says the surgery is not worth the risk unless a woman is having symptoms. Signs and symptoms of the ALCL may include lumps, pain, swelling, and asymmetry. Breasts look different from each other. So if you have those breast implants and you are suffering from those signs and symptoms, pains, swelling, lumps, your breasts are not looking symmetrical anymore, you should probably get them removed. The FDA first reported a possible link between breast implants and anaplastic large cell lymphoma in 2011. Evidence showed that this rare type of lymphoma occurs more often in women who have implants with textured surfaces compared with smooth surfaces. Since then, more evidence have strengthened the FDA understanding of this link. In announcing the recall, the FDA stated that the overall incidence of the BIA-ALAC-C appears to be low, but the risk is greater than previously thought. The risk appeared to be more closely linked to Allergan BioCell implants than with other types of textured implants. 573 cases of BIA-ALCL and 33 deaths have been reported around the world, up from 457 cases and 9 deaths in February of 2019. Of the 517 cases of the BIA-ALCL, 481 have attributed to Allergan implants. Of the 33 deaths, 12 patients had Allergan breast implants at the time of their BIA-ALCL diagnosis, and 1 was from another company. The manufacturer of the other 20 patient implants is still not known. So they still don't know who manufactured the other 20 persons that have died, what the brand is. Wow. If you already have breast implants, the FDA advises you to continue your regular routine medical care and follow up. If you notice any changes in your breast or have concerns, contact your health provider. If you have the recall implants, the FDA says you do not need to have them removed unless you're having symptoms such as lymph, pain, swelling, or asymmetry. The FDA advises women considering breast implants to talk with their healthcare team about the benefits and risk of textured surface versus smooth surface breast implants. So everybody that had their breasts done a year or so ago, if you have these breast implants, be very aware and be very cautious. They are linked to breast cancer in women. Also, another thing that is linked to breast cancer in women is your deodorant. Please use natural forms of deodorant because your armpits are not that far away from your breasts. So please be careful. And all the people that might think they might become a luxury doll and they're going to have a designer body, because that is the trending thing in Jamaica. People all take out loan if go get surgery done on their body, okay? And this whole syndrome of the Instagram body type that I'm going to talk about in my next video is a big issue and causes a lot of self-esteem issues for Jamaican women. But that is today's video. What are your thoughts on breast implants in general? What are your thoughts on these breast implants being recalled by the FDA and being linked to multiple deaths? What are your thoughts on getting cosmetic surgery in general? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.